Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel channel. This is Rita, and here is our new version of GP-PROJECT-X1 16 kWh low voltage energy storage battery pack, and I will show how to assemble it. And now let's start assembling. The first part is about the wheels, and now we'll install the wheels in the metal base. Now we put the epoxy board and the battery cells. And you should pay attention to the position of the battery cells. Here you can see that. Here is the negative, and this way positive, and here is the positive, negative. Okay, now we'll check the data, and you make sure the data is 8 to 10 Newton. You can see here is a different. Here is B and it's A, and the B is the first, and A is the last. And here is the YouTuber, and they have 6 tubers, and the first we use this, the longest. In the second floor, and you should pay attention to the position here. Is the negative and the positive, positive, negative. And now we use this tube with 3 poles and 2 big and small, 1 small. And this part we will install the front panel, and here is the accessory, and this is the communication port. And it's the BMS. And now we install the circuit breaker. This is the fuse. Now we choose the panel with the 3 poles, and now we start the negative. And the red one is the positive. Now we install the screen. Now we finished the assembly, and now we press this button and check this status of this battery case. Okay, here's language. Okay, you can see the voltage and the current and the status of this battery case. And here you can see the voltage of each cells. This is all the content of today's video, and if you like this video, you can follow us, and if you have any questions, leave under the video. Bye bye, see you next time.